Hello friends, my name is Kapil Goyal, and in this tutorial I will teach you how can you use create method in Laravel. So first go to your route file. Here we will create a route. We can change this one also. Now here this is our controller and this is our class, and here you have to write your function name. My function name is will be create function, so we can use this, copy this from here and go to your controller. Now this is our root, and go to your controller in the app http controllers block controller. Now we will create a new function for create. Now function, create function, and here we will write our query. Our model is blog, and here we will use create method, and here we can give the our data associative array. Our column name is title, first one, and here we will write our data, the create method, comma, and in the second column name is content, and here we will create a associative array, and bow I am learning. This is our content. Now close this. We use create method for the forms and for the mass assignment in Laravel. Now go to your model, in the model folder, in the app models, and open your model. Now if I start our server, as you can see our server is already started, and if I go to my front end and open the URL, then what will you see? Here you can see a error to flavor, add title to flavor property to allow mass assignment on. Now we have to mention the column in which we want to fill the data. Now open your model, and here we will define a variable protected, and the variable name is fillable, and here we will create a array in which we want to fill the data. First one is title. Here we will write the title, and here we will write the content. This is our second column name. Now if I save this and run this, I want to open my PHP my admin also, localhost PHP my admin. Now this is our database. Here you can see 4 columns. If I run the front end, then it should show 5 results. Now if I rerun this, now you can see there is no error. Now if I refresh the table again, then you will see the another row with the data, the create method I am learning. Now by this method you can insert the data also. We use this method mostly in the forms, and you must define this variable here. It is predefined by Laravel for create method. Here you have to specify the column name. Here you have to define the column name, and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.